How to remove default clothing on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can easily remove the default clothing in your Roblox account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com, or you can also launch the application of Roblox. Now after that, go to marketplace section that you will find in the top between the charts and create. Now click on the search bar and then type in transparent. This will show the items that makes parts of your avatar invisible. For example, to remove your face, you can buy a transparent head for its 75 to 85 Robux. Equipping it will make your avatar faceless. You can also repeat this process for the body. Search for the shadow transparent suit and try it on and remove all of the other clothing. This will make it look like your avatar is wearing no clothes. You can also change your avatar skin tone to make the effect look better. So I hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more.